I saw this and the cashier was like, next! And I panicked and I just grabbed this. So this is the Tutop rice cake. Not sure what it is, but they're all kind of similar to each other, you know? So the yellow one, yeah, yellow. Usually it's like red bean paste inside, but it could be different. It's bean paste, but it's like yellow bean paste, I guess. It is sweet. When you bite into it, the beans aren't soggy, so they're still a little bit firm, so you kind of break through them, but it's not like crunchy hard. Imagine not being Asian.